Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the image and immediately duplicating the background layer so nothing is destructive. Once done, convert that duplicate to a smart object so filters remain editable. This is why you keep edits reversible. Next, set the image size to a slightly larger value, no more than 150%, using preserve details too. 0 and 0. 5. Reduce noise. You do this to give algorithms more pixels to work with, while minimizing interpolation artifacts. Now you move into detailed corrections. Apply Camera Raw filter to reduce noise and bring back mid-tone texture. Raise texture, slightly increase clarity, and use noise reduction carefully so details remain. Make a copy and run Smart Sharpen, choosing Remove Lens Blur and a small radius to revive edges without halos. Then duplicate, apply High Pass at low radius, and set blend mode to overlay or soft light. Reduce opacity to blend crisp edges back in naturally. To finish, inspect at 100% and correct remaining artifacts with clone stamp and spot healing, sampling nearby clean pixels so you preserve texture. Make selective adjustments using layer masks so sharpening or smoothing affects only necessary regions, and toggle the original layer visibility to compare progress. Export as PNG or TIFF to prevent recompression. If results look oversmoothed, reduce noise reduction and reapply a subtler sharpening pass. If halos appear, lower Smart Sharpen radius and mask edges.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.